If you're in Microsoft Project and installed RiskyProject, you will find a RiskyProject tab on the Microsoft Project ribbon. To run a risk analysis in Microsoft Project, the first step is to define task uncertainties. To do this, select a task or a group of tasks, click the Duration button, and define the low and high durations for the tasks. You can define uncertainties for fixed costs in the same way. Click the Calculate button to perform a Monte Carlo simulation. You can then view project cost, finish time, and duration with and without uncertainties. Click on any distribution to view more details. Click the Risk Schedule button to view the risk-adjusted project schedule. White bars represent the original project schedule, while blue bars represent the schedule with risks and uncertainties. You can also enter risks in the risk register and assign them to selected tasks. For example, create a new risk and assign it to tasks. Then perform the Monte Carlo calculation again. You can do this here or return a Microsoft project. The updated analysis results will then be available. Using the RiskyProject add-in in Microsoft Project, you can perform various types of risk analysis and generate all the reports that are available in RiskyProject.